Respected Principal Madam, teachers and all my friends. Today we are celebrating Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a festival of honor and gratitude. Gratitude towards our teachers, Guru and coach. Today I am telling you the importance of Guru Purnima in our real life. Teacher means assurance, the assurance of success. Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Friends, when Swami Vivekananda was very young, he rambled in search of Guru. He visited many sadhus, sons, and rishis. He asked everyone, "Have you seen the God?" And he got nothing. But when he met Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa, he asked the same question, "Have you seen the God?" Swami Ramakrishna said, "Yes, I have seen the God. I can speak with the God just like I am speaking with you." He assured Swami Vivekananda. What is gratitude? Ramakant Achrekar was not famous until he met Sachin Tendulkar. Today, Achrekar sir is famous as Tendulkar's Guru all around the world. Sachin Tendulkar explored the personality and status of his Guru. This is Tendulkar's gratitude to his teacher. Teacher is symbol of knowledge. Muktabai was a little girl, but she became Guru of an old man, Sant Chamdev, due to her knowledge only. Maharshi Vedas was born in lower caste, but he became Guru due to his knowledge only. Finally, Krishna Mande Jagadguru. Lord Krishna is Jagadguru due to his knowledge only. He taught us Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga,